Hey everybody, welcome back to another interesting video. In today's video, I'll show you how to find low competition, high volume keywords for your blog. Whether it's a personal blog, food blog, sports blog, I got a lot of videos on that. So if you haven't watched it, go watch it. I'll leave a link in the description below to all those videos. But after you created your blog, if you manage to create it to have a blog, okay, if you have your website up and running, it's time to put in content, okay? So what you need to do, go to post, add a new post, and create content. But the thing is, you cannot just create any content. You need to create a content that has the potential to get ranked on Google, okay? So in order to find a good keyword, we need to find a successful blog, okay? So first thing we need to do is to find the niche. For example, we are in a food blog, okay? We want to create a food blog or a sports blog or a personal finance blog, okay? So for example, let's say, what are the top paying food blog, okay? Or the best food blog, okay? Or top earning food blog, sorry. And this is what we do, okay? We go to Google and search for it. And now we need to see what sort of websites are already getting ranked on Google, okay? These are in the top 10 or top 5 food blogs because these websites normally get a lot of traffic, okay? You can see these are the blogs that are getting ranked on Google. Afford Anything. This is a personal finance blog, okay? Or this one is a food blog. How much do bloggers make? Let me scroll down. For example, you can see that Pinch of Yum, over $90,000 per month. Okay, so this is what you got to do. You have to find who is successful and then replicate what these people are doing. Okay, let me just open up this page, Pinch of Yum. Let's see how this website actually looks. So this is an example of a simple food blog that is apparently making over $90,000 a month. Someone's salary is sitting here and he's making it every single month, he or she, I don't know. So this is a website. This is how to create this one. If you don't know how to create one, I have a separate video on how to create a food blog, and that would definitely help you create a website like this. And if you haven't watched that video, I'll leave a link in the description below. Go watch it. It's easy, it's free, okay? Just learn how these people are making these sort of blogs. And now we need to see what sort of content it is making money for this website. Okay, so in order to find that, you need to use a keyword research tool. Okay, so go to Google and search for this. There are heaps of paid and free tools. I use a lot of them, a lot of free tools and paid tools. But the tool that I am currently using, and I personally think is good and is reasonable, is called Key Search. Okay, I'll leave a link in the description below to Key Search, and they also have a free trial for a month, so you don't need to pay any money to use it. Okay, so this is the tool that I've been using it for a while, and I think this is reasonable. It does the job. Look, there are other tools that you need to pay $100 a month or even less, but this one is reasonable price and it does the job. Okay, leave a link in the description below. There is also a discount code that if you use, you get 20% discount on top of that, which is great. So after you click the link in the description below, you will be here. And once you're here, you need to sign up. So go ahead and click on Get Started Now. And here you need to just put in your email, your password, and select the free trial. Okay, if you want to go with any of them, you can do it. But for now, we just start with a free trial just to test this program to see how it works. And then I'll show you how you can actually use it. So apparently, due to the overwhelming demand, they're not offering free trial. So that's fine. That's fine. So I just go ahead and pay for the month. So click on Get Started Now. They're not offering free trial for now. I don't know if they're offering free trial when you are signing up to this, but for now, I'm just going to sign up for this $17 per month. So click on this. And now here we need to put in the email and password and select the starter package and the billing address, and there is a coupon code that I'll leave in the description below, and just gonna copy and paste it here. Okay, so I get coupon activated, so you can get 20% discount on that as well. So this is decreased to 13.6, which is completely fine. Look, a keyword research tool costs you $100 a month, and this is just a fraction of that. And yeah, I think this can be great because if you can find one good keyword, that's it, you're set. So let's go and register. So I'm paying with PayPal. Let's go ahead and continue, add and subscribe. So you can unsubscribe when you don't want to use it. So you subscribe by default, but if you don't want to, but you want to stop it, you can just unsubscribe anytime you want. Okay, boom. I have paid 13.6 USD to set up for subscription. It's all set, and let's go back to our website. And once we are here, we need to sign in. Let's go and sign in. And here there is a just quick tutorial on how you can use this tool. You can just watch it. Yeah, just watch it and see how it works. Let me just close it for now. And now we have our keyword research tool. Okay, so we have our website up and running. We have a blog, and I've just gone here, add a new page or add a new post, and you open up a new post, and now I want to do my keyword research. So I would like to write content about ramen. Okay, let me just type in ramen. Okay, what you need to do, just type in the keywords, the locations. You can just use a specific location, or you can use all. I'm just using all locations, and here you can select a Bing suggest, Google suggest. I just go related keywords and click search. Now it is searching for all the ramen related keywords. Okay, so here we got a search trend. So it tells you in what sort of month. For example, in December and January, apparently it's getting trended. People are gonna eat more ramen in December and January, and now it is picking again. Okay, so in this section we have the keywords, we got volume, and we got score. So the keyword ramen is getting searched a lot. All right, but you can see the score is 55. 55 is not easy. This is not an easy keyword to get ranked. But if you can get ranked on Google for this keyword, look, you're literally gonna print money. But you're not gonna write any content, not any content. So writing content only about ramen not gonna get you ranked in Google. This is not easy. So you need to look for a longer tail keywords. Okay, so let me scroll down. You can see with that we got other keywords that. So in order to do this, what you need to do, go to score and sort. Okay, sort it by difficulty. So you can see that izakaya ramen. So izakaya ramen is not a very popular keyword. It's only getting ranked 1,900 times a month. Okay, but this has a really high chance of getting ranked on Google. So this is green and this is blue. The blue means it's easy. It's an easy keyword to get ranked for. This is a keyword that not a lot of people will write content about. And this is the keyword that you are looking for, especially if you have a brand new website. Okay, you don't have that much of authority. You have a brand new site. Okay, so you need to send a little bit of juice to this website, and this is one of the best ways to do it, to start to write content about easy keywords like this, izakaya ramen, for example, with a difficulty of 19, which is easy. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to copy this, for example, and go back to your blog. Okay, try to have these keywords. Okay, just copy this. You need to try to have these keywords in the title. Okay, so in the header you need to have it, izakaya ramen. So this should be in your header. So for example, how to make izakaya ramen, or izakaya ramen recipe. And then in the content section you need to come up with these sort of keywords, anything that is related to this specific keyword. So if you have a new blog that's only a few months old, do not target a difficult keyword like ramen, like ramen near me, like ramen noodles. It's 53, right? It's getting searched 300,000 times a month. But look, if you write 3,000 word blog post, you're still not going to get ranked because you don't have any authority. So you need to target easier keywords. Okay, so this is how you can actually find easier keywords. Try to find a reasonable volume with low score. Okay, another method to find good content, once you got a little bit of authority, is to go to a successful blog. Okay, for example here, Pinch of Yummy. Just copy the URL. Okay, what you got to do, and go back to the keyword research tool. Okay, and this time, instead of searching for a keyword, copy and paste the URL. Okay, and now search for that specific URL. And this time you can see what sort of keywords this website is getting ranked for. Okay. For example, this website is getting ranked for recipes. These are the keywords that are gonna print money. And for example, this is getting ranked on, this is ranked number 1. This is ranked 40. Let me just search for this one. Rank number 1. So these are the keywords. Sauces. This website is getting ranked for sauces number 1. And let me just go back to Google and see if it actually searched, if it's getting ranked for this. Okay, sauces, and Wikipedia is number 1. Pinch of yummy, it's number 2, right? Yeah, this is, look, this keyword is getting ranked, it's getting searched 368,000 times. This is crazy. And this is sitting at almost position number 1. This is Wikipedia, and we got pinch of yummy. So imagine you get ranked for these sort of keywords. You're just gonna print money. So if you want to see what sort of keywords your competitors are getting ranked, okay, copy the domain and search for it. And now, instead of writing content for sauces that you have a really low chance, the score is 66. Okay, it's almost, you have almost 0 chance to get ranked. You go to score and search for easier one. Okay, you can search for, I don't know, man, butter peanuts. Okay, this is also a very good keyword. It's not that difficult. So you have more chance of writing content for these sort of keywords instead of sauces, right? So, and that's pretty much it. And that's how you can find good keywords for your blog. So try to use longer tail keywords to have a higher chance of getting ranked on Google. Okay, let's say, for example, you want to write content about this easier keyword, for example, carrot topping. Okay, so click on this and you can see how this search is trending. Okay, so it is trending. This is a good keyword. Okay, and it's also trending now. So if you would like to write content about this, and if you don't know what sort of content you should write, how to start, go to Google. Okay, and search for the same keyword. Okay, see who is getting ranked, okay, in the top 10. Okay, search for these keywords. Okay, you can see these are the top blogs that are getting ranked for this keyword. And what you got to do, open up the top 3, the top 5, okay, and read the content. See what sort of content is getting ranked on Google, and do not copy it. Just try to replicate what these people are doing. Okay, try to create similar sort of content in your own words, okay, in your own method, in your own style, and then you can start getting ranked on Google as well. So the tool I'm using is Key Search. I think it's a good tool, super cheap. Try to use a discount code below. You get 20% discount as well. So if you are ready to create content for your blog, that's it. Use the link below and start creating a great content for your blog. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I appreciate if you tap that like button for me, because more people can actually watch it. And if you haven't subscribed and you like this sort of content, make sure to subscribe and tap that little bell so you do not miss out the next video. See you in the next one. Bye.